Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best tub drain kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a functional and hygienic bathroom, ensuring that your bathtub can efficiently drain water without leaks or clogs, which is crucial for preventing water damage to your floors and subflooring, and for maintaining a pleasant bathing experience free from standing water and unpleasant odors. A high-quality drain kit not only guarantees durability and longevity but also contributes to the overall aesthetic of your bathroom, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner seeking to upgrade or repair their plumbing fixtures. Number 5. Moen Brushed Nickel Tub and Shower Drain Kit T90331BN. This brushed nickel finish offers a beautiful, lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. It brings a touch of warmth and elegance to your bathroom space. Designed with a 1 to 3/4 inch diameter and a 1 to 1/2 inch connection size for the threaded shoe. This ensures a standard and convenient fit for most setups. Built with the Moen Impact Common Valve system, it offers long-standing flexibility. You can easily update your faucet style in the future without needing to replace any existing plumbing. This is an ideal solution for repairing problematic plumbing fixtures. It allows you to fix issues without the hassle of replacing the entire fixture. Need to convert from a 2-screw overflow? Simply order part 142538 for a straightforward conversion process. Crafted for durability, this product is built to last. It's backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This option is built on Moen's Impact Common Valve system, offering long-standing flexibility. If you're someone who likes to update your bathroom's look frequently without undertaking major plumbing work, this is the perfect choice for you. It allows for future faucet style updates without replacing any plumbing. What people say. The drain stopper is easy to push down and pull up. The drain kit includes all the necessary parts for installation. The finish on the drain cover is durable and has not tarnished. Number 4. Matte Black Bathtub Drain and Overflow Kit. Elevate your bathroom with this stunning matte black bathtub drain. Its beautiful finish resists fingerprints and perfectly complements your existing fixtures, maintaining its pristine look for years to come. Keep your drain clear and prevent lost jewelry with the integrated hair catcher. This thoughtful design also features a thickened gasket to ensure a leak-free experience. Designed for convenience, it offers a universal fit for standard US and Canadian bathtubs. Installation is straightforward, making it an ideal replacement for your current tub drain. Save time and effort with easy DIY installation. The included manual guides you through a quick and simple setup process, allowing you to enjoy your new drain in no time. We stand behind our product with dedicated customer support. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, we're here to help ensure your ongoing satisfaction. What we like. This tub drain features a beautiful, anti-fingerprint matte black finish and includes a built-in hair catcher. If you're looking for a drain that not only looks sleek and modern but also helps keep your drain clear of hair and prevent jewelry loss, this is an excellent option. Its easy installation also saves you time and hassle. What people say. The drain is easy to install and works perfectly. It looks great and functions as advertised. Number 3. Keeney K630 PVC DSBN Footlock Bathtub Drain Kit. This is a complete bathtub drain kit designed for easy installation. It includes everything you need, like the PVC tube, drain, and overflow faceplate. With its 1 to 1/2 inch standard size fitting, it's designed to work with all standard-sized bathtubs. The Schedule 40 pipe ensures a secure fit. The exposed trim features a beautiful brushed nickel finish that resists tarnishing. It offers a clean and lasting look for your bathroom. Installation is straightforward with its solvent weld design. It's ideal for a secure and reliable connection. This kit comes with all the necessary hardware for a complete setup. You'll find the 1 to 1/2 inch PVC tubing, brushed nickel trim, and everything else required. What we like. This kit comes with a foot-lock stop mechanism and includes everything necessary for installation, including PVC tubing, drain, and overflow faceplate. If you prefer a simple, foot-operated drain stopper and want a complete, easy-to-install solution in a tarnish-free brushed nickel finish, this is a great choice for standard-sized tubs. What people say. This tub drain kit is a lifesaver. It was so easy to install, and it completely stopped the leak I had. I love the sleek design of this drain. It looks great in my new bathroom and functions perfectly. The quality of the materials used in this kit is impressive. It feels very durable and well made. Number 2. Brushed Nickel Tub Drain Kit with Hair Catcher. Elevate your bathroom with this stunning brushed nickel drain. Its anti-fingerprint finish complements any decor, while the 5-layer electroplating ensures lasting beauty against rust and corrosion. Keep your drain clear and your bathroom dry. This kit features a built-in hair catcher to prevent clogs and jewelry loss, plus a thickened gasket for a reliable, leak-free seal. Designed for convenience, it fits most standard US and Canadian bathtubs. This CUPC-approved drain works seamlessly with common bathtub waste elbows, making it a versatile replacement. Replacing your old drain is a breeze. With the included manual, you can install this tub drain and overflow kit quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. We're here to help ensure your satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with our customer support, ready to assist with any troubleshooting or replacement needs. What we like. This drain kit boasts a premium brass construction with a beautiful brushed nickel finish and a convenient tiptoe stopper. If you value durability, a sophisticated look, and the added benefit of a hair catcher to prevent clogs and lost items, this is a top contender. It's designed for universal fit and easy installation. What people say. The drain stopper is easy to push down and pull up. The drain kit includes all the necessary parts for installation. It effectively prevents hair from going down the drain. Number 1. DANCO Touch-Toe Tub and Bath Drain Kit. Experience reliable performance with our durable 1-1.2-inch plastic tubing. It's built to last and provide consistent function for your needs. Designed to fit most standard-sized tubs, it accommodates depths of up to 15 inches. Enjoy a perfect fit for your existing or new bathtub. This kit includes all the necessary parts for a hassle-free installation. You can easily replace an old drain or add a new one to your tub. Featuring a sleek chrome finish, it includes a 2-hole faceplate and a convenient touch-toe style stopper. It adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. The white polypropylene tubes and slip joint washers ensure a leak-free fitting. Plus, it's adjustable for a secure and customized seal. What we like. This kit features a touch-toe style stopper and adjustable plastic tubing designed to fit most standard-sized tub depths. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-operate drain replacement with a clean chrome finish and leak-free fitting, this DANCO option is a practical and reliable choice for your bathroom. What people say. The drain is very easy to install and works perfectly. It looks great and functions as expected, no leaks. The design is sleek and modern, and it was a breeze to put in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.